We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2020 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited in River Rock Gray. Up front we have dual disc braking, and this bike also has ABS. Nice big fairing and windshield. It's really great for touring. We have rider and passenger floorboards, the 114 cubic inch engine. We have engine guards front and rear. Really comfortable seat for your passenger with built-in speakers. Locking saddlebags and tour pack with the additional luggage rack on top as well. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.